Hi, I'm Stuart Sinclair, co-owner and master facilitator at David Foreman. Welcome to our Great Sales Performer program. You're going to be working with one of our great facilitators, and they'll help you to develop your sales skills and, most importantly, to build your confidence so you can use them in your real world. During the workshop, you'll understand the process that buyers go through to make a buying decision and how you can work with your customers to help them through their buying journey. We're not about textbook theories, but we're about what works in a real world situation to help you to improve your performance and increase your sales results. So remember to complete your pre-workshop tasks and go along to the workshop with an open mind and really challenge yourselves to get from it what you need to get from it to make it work for you. So I wish you all the best. We'll catch you soon. Bye.